Large language models are transforming how we work and invest. Let's demystify what these AI systems actually are. At their heart, large language models are sophisticated prediction engines that guess the next piece of information in a sequence. Models like these contain billions of internal parameters, which are essentially the settings the model tuned during its massive training phase. First, the model reads vast amounts of text. Then, it identifies patterns, and finally, it uses those patterns to generate human-like text. Unlike a standard calculator that follows rigid math, an LLM is probabilistic. It makes choices based on likelihood rather than hard-coded rules. Global adoption of AI tools in professional and financial settings has surged, as these models become better at summarizing complex data. Always remember that these models are tools to assist your thinking, not sources of absolute truth. Understanding the technology behind the hype is key to staying ahead. Subscribe for more tech and finance basics.